What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. I'm here to answer your questions with my honest review of the product and software based on my own experience and research. Today I will be looking at ProfitMeet software and explain how it functions. This product are from Radu, Mike and Caitlin. This is a webinar, Zoom, meeting online video conferencing software which have various benefits for you and your customers to use. I will show you the sales page, the OTOs, the upsells and upgrades, the members area, and then I will share with you my recommendation why you should think twice before you buy the software. Hope this review will support you as a newbie in making a qualified decision before buying this product. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials and reviews to help you grow your online business. Click on the link below for a free proven strategy to create your own online business. If you need more information like this, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. This ProfitMeet that I'm reviewing today is another software from Radu, Mike and Kaylin, which is launching today, as I mentioned. This comes with a free commercial license and only a one-time fee. No monthly fees to pay. This product is beginner friendly, so they say, and we will check this out. I cannot really test this as it's a meeting. I imagine it will work. I do not know if it will be slow or lagging or with glitches, and this is only visible if you start using it. Ultimate Zoom Killer, brand new cloud platform, lets you run unlimited webinars, videos, conferences online, meetings with zero monthly fees. Fully fledged online webinar solution. Comes with a dashboard, better and more powerful than Zoom, Skype or GoToWebinar. One-click instant meeting. Scheduled meetings along with custom domains. Create unlimited videos. Record your sessions. Share your screen. Blazing fast server with zero lag and full meetings. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Comes complete with quality video tutorials and more. Guys, this is a sales page, and what is the function of a sales page? To make you buy the product. So the wording that's used is what you want to hear. I don't believe all the words I'm reading here. If I look at the sales page, I look at more than just the words. This is the members area, and I will jump into the members area soon just to show you a little bit more about the members area. So what are the benefits for your customers? This is also part of the sales page. What are the things you want to hear? You have a virtual unlimited meetings, launch a fully fledged online business in seconds. All the nice emotional words which will make you buy the product immediately. The one-time payment, no monthly fees is mentioned again. All in one panel, loaded with tools to make money online. Where is the money coming from? What do you have to sell? How will you show it to your clients if you don't have any? This is now the sales funnel, and as they said, commissions for affiliates. But if I look at the sales funnel, there's 5 upsells. I'm looking at the product, and why do you need all these upsells? One-time payment, no monthly fees, and you only pay a small amount of money. $17. But what if all this is part of what you have to buy to make the product work? This is the 3 people that's selling this product, and we're going to go deeper into it to make sure you don't waste your $17.
How many hosted meetings, attended meetings, instant meetings, and that's already given you a little bit of an insight to the kind of meetings that you can be hosting, right, with ProfitMeet. And then we've got a graphical representation there as well. We can shortcut and just go straight up to here and say start a meeting automatically. Or we can go here and go to instant meetings. And we've got three options: start a meeting, join a meeting, meeting history. All right. So if we click on start a meeting, then we're given an option to choose which type we want to select: audio conference, live class, podcast, video conference, and webinar. Now, all of these are fairly self-explanatory. I imagine the majority of you that will be watching will be more interested in the webinar option. So I'm going to use that. But before I do, there will be a lot of you, I'm especially interested in the podcast and live class options. That's for sure. That'd be very cool to do, because you can start building up your own online school with live classes, right? And a podcast is what it is. It's very cool. Or you capture their email addresses for you. So basically, after, let's say, I don't know, a couple of days of traffic going to your webinar, you come back in here and you will have, it'll be on contacts actually, you'll have a list of email addresses of people that have watched your webinar. Then what you can do is you can segment them based on all sorts of different things. You've got filters here. You name it a filter. You could probably filter it by watched at least 1 hour of the webinar, or left after 2 minutes, or didn't even, came and left immediately, or something like that. And then you can start segmenting all your email addresses. And then, because this has got a built-in autoresponder, start mailing them based on that. Okay, what are you passing up on? Okay. That's the front end. Upsell number one is the Pro edition of ProfitMeet, $37 with a $27 downsell. I imagine Pro edition, although you can do unlimited meetings, conferences, webinars, they're gonna remove the limitations on some other aspects. Again, you can look at that on the page as you go through the funnel when you're offered each upsell. Upsell number two, which is ProfitMeet Enterprise Edition, $47 with a $37 downsell. This will probably be as if you own a company and you want your colleagues to be added into your ProfitMeet account. That'll probably be upsell number two. Upsell number three, ProfitMeet Done For You Edition, $39 with a $29 downsell. Upsell number four, which is ProfitMeet Reseller Edition, $197 with a $97 downsell. Upsell number five, which is ProfitMeet IMX Bundle, $97 with a $67 downsell. Not sure what this is because there's no description about it at the moment. It's probably because I'm quite early doing this review.
Now that we've finished with the OTOs, let's go into the page where we can see what is launched by these guys. I'm looking at Mike, and they're launching weekly products. If you're so busy launching, can you support your customers? Can you keep up with maintenance of your page? I thought I'll take a look and let's try one of the products just to show, is it really working and are they as honest as they say? So let's look up here and go up and see. Here is a product in January that they launched, still this year, Affiliate Engine. So let's open the page and see what happens. This is the sales page, and let's see, can we still buy the product? Oh, the product you are trying to purchase is currently cannot be sold. So this shows me that this product was a good product, and selling the product, they made their money, but it didn't last long. So what happens if this happened to this product? That this is just for 2 or 3 months available and they can't keep up with everything. And as you can see, Zoom is a very favorite program, and there's 300 million daily users. And as you know, Zoom is free. Skype is free. I've been using Skype. There's lagging. There's some days that you have issues. So why will I start with a small company? Zoom is a large company and they have a free option. With any option, but free, there's always limitations. But as a beginner, All of us can host up to 100 participants for free, 40 minutes maximum group meetings for free, and unlimited one-to-one meetings. So why not use Zoom? And you know it will not be closed in the next few months. Skype is free, Google Meet is free. So let's use our big competitors, and we make sure when you establish your business and your webinar or podcast, you do it with a reliable company. I will stay with Zoom and Skype, and I will not change. As I mentioned, this is my honest review. I just want to help you and say, based on my experience with webinars and meetings, to get 1,000 people on a webinar is not easy. And will this software support this? I feel the statistics they're showing are misleading. It looks easy, sounds wonderful if you listen to the words of the sales page, but beware, it does not work that way. By now, I think you know what I'm trying to tell you. This product is not a quality product, and I will definitely not promote this. But let's look in summary. What is the things that I showed you throughout the video? First, one-time free means there's no maintenance. It's a low quality product, and they will definitely not maintain this product. As you saw with their older launches, they are not active anymore. January is not very long ago, and it's still in this year, and already the product is not active and it's not available. And as beginners, we never have 100 people on a Zoom meeting. I've been in this business quite a while, and I struggle to have 100 people in a Zoom. Usually we get 40, 50. If it's really good, you might make 70. So why not use the free Zoom? That costs you nothing. The other thing, you cannot make money using this software, so the sales page is definitely misleading. I also showed you the OTOs. There's 5 of them. They locked some of the programs that you have to buy the OTO to get it 100% working. Otherwise, you sit with a product that you cannot use. I calculated the 5 OTOs. You will spend more than $400. If you're a small business and you go up to the paid Zoom, it's $12 a month. And you get more for that than you get for this $400 that you will pay. The other thing I showed you, they prolific launchers. Weekly there's a product out. Do you think they really care about the product? There's really a trust. There's really maintenance. They really care about the clients and what they give you. Use real webinar software that's trusted, that's reliable. And I always say we should use them. And why not support Zoom or support Skype or any of the other free products? I will put the link below the video that you can see what is available. I hoped this helped you to make a decision about if this product is for you or not. Check out the link below for more information on the free products, how to have a webinar online. I will also put a link below about the proven strategy I'm following to build my business online. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell not to miss any forthcoming videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on the other side of the screen.